Meadowbrook High is represented by Sashan Gordon, Dominic Thomas, Janae Williams, and Atari Dobney. DeCarteret College is represented by Kayla Dunkley, Thorington Dennis, Tatiana Horton, and Beyonce Brown. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 12th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams are asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Meadowbrook High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Meadowbrook High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Meadowbrook, we begin with literature. Which Trinidadian lawyer turned writer is the author of the novel Pleasant View?
Jean Reese.
Incorrect. Celeste Muhammad. DeCarteret. Which British poet is the author of the book Birdhead Son?
Charles Dickens.
Incorrect. Anthony Josephs. International Affairs for Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Right. David Burt. E. David Burt.
Correct. Premier of Bermuda. International Affairs for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jacinda Ardern.
Incorrect. Juliana O'Connor Connolly, Premier of the Cayman Islands. Jamaican Heritage for Meadowbrook. Complete the Jamaican saying, thief never like fissy thief.
With long bag. With long bag. With long bag.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage for DeCarteret. Complete the Jamaican saying, teeth and tongue.
Tell the same lie. Tell the same lie.
Incorrect. Must meet. Music for Meadowbrook. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
On a hill, and I live down here on the ground. All the things that
Al Green.
Incorrect. The title of the song, We're All in This Thing Together. Music for DeCarteret. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
My girl.
Correct. French for Meadowbrook. Translate to English. Que voudriez-vous?
Where do I go? Where do I go?
Incorrect. What would you like? French for DeCarteret. Translate to English. Qu'est-ce que je vous sers?
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want to be?
No, what can I get you? Theatre and cinema for Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Florence Pugh. Florence Pugh.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Justin Chambers. Justin Chambers.
Incorrect. Josh Hartnett. Meadowbrook Art. Which French painter is the founder of the Impressionist painting?
Henri Matisse.
Incorrect. Claude Monet. And DeCarteret Art. Which French Impressionist painter abandoned his law studies for art and is regarded as the father of modern art?
Paul Gauguin.
No, Paul Cézanne. Sports for Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Shamar Joseph.
Correct. Sports DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Virat Kohli.
Correct. Biology for Meadowbrook. What is a specific name for a genotype where an individual inherits 2 copies of a dominant gene?
Genotype, so. Allele.
Incorrect. Homozygous dominant. Biology for DeCarteret. Is the homozygous dominant genotype denoted by 2 uppercase letters, 2 lowercase letters, or a combination of an upper and lowercase letter?
2 uppercase letters. 2 uppercase letters.
Correct. Bible knowledge. And now time for Bible knowledge. At Sibel, that's the end of the opening challenge. The score is a Meadowbrook High on 4, DeCarteret College on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.